Alolan, Master Designers! Tonight we're going to draw the Alolan Executor. Alolan Executor was the first regional variant that we saw in the Pokemon Sun and Moon series, and also one of the newest facts about the Alolan Executor is that he is now confirmed as a Grass and Dragon type. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Now we draw Executor's tail. Make sure to make it long. Long plants. There we go. Executor's tail has a mind of its own, so you might want to stay clear of that. But it also has a personality of its own, so no worries. Oh yeah, one more thing. Executor's special attack and signature move is Dragon Hammer. Awesome, huh? I wish that all Dragon type moves would have that special attack. And done. There he is. That's how you draw the Alolan Executor. that I've been wanting to draw for a long time now. It's finally done. What other Pokemon do you want me to draw? Leave a comment below. Leave a request in a comment below, and I'll get to that drawing as soon as possible. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.